the learner to make the most of your EdAssist coaching appointment is really just being open to sharing what you've experienced. You don't need your transcripts. You don't need the list of, you don't need all of that. Just come to the appointment knowing that the more information you tell us, the more we can help you.
So a learner can make the most out of their EdAssist coaching session by being prepared. Again, we have a lot of answers we can help folks. You don't need to have all the answers already, but having some general idea kind of helps us a little bit to help you. So having a general idea of what areas of interest you might want to study, what your budget might be, what your specific career goals might be. Having those things in mind, that doesn't have to be specific, but having some general answers to those questions can really make that coaching session a lot more efficient.
For you as a student to get the best academic session possible, I always say bring your questions, bring your curiosity, bring your interests, bring your values. Those can help me better assess how to assist you and guide you on that journey versus coming in with no questions or interests because I'm getting to know you, you're getting to know me, and we're going to work together to get you to where you want to be. So definitely coming in with questions and really kind of knowing your interests and what your values are as a student and potential employee into the conversation.